In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to email non-board members when a form is submitted in Monday.com. Start by going to monday.com and logging into your account. Once you're in, open the board that contains the form you want to use. This is important because the automation needs to be created directly inside the board where the form submissions are coming in. At the top of that board, click Automate. This opens the Automation Center, where you can build rules that tell Monday what to do when something happens. Next, click Create Automation to start a new one. Now, choose the trigger. You'll want to select either when form is submitted or when an item is created, depending on how your board is set up. In many cases, a form submission creates a new item automatically, so either option can work if it matches your workflow. After selecting the trigger, click into it and confirm that it's connected to the correct form or board so the automation runs in the right place. Next, move to the Actions section and click the Action field. From the list of available actions, select Send an Email. This is the key step that lets you notify someone even if they are not a member of the board. In the Recipient field, enter the email address you want the message sent to. Then click the Subject field and type the subject line of the email. Keep it clear and specific so the person receiving it immediately understands what the message is about. After that, click into the message body and write the email content. This is where you can explain what was submitted and include any details the recipient needs. If you want the email to include information from the form submission, use the available variables or column values. That allows Monday to automatically pull in details like names, responses, dates, or other fields from the board. So each email feels relevant and complete without you having to type it manually every time. Once everything looks right, click Create Automation to save it. From that point on, when the form is submitted, Monday will automatically send the email based on the setup you just created. If this helped, hit like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. Before you finish, it's a good idea to double-check the subject line, message content, and recipient address for accuracy. If possible, submit a test form entry to make sure the automation triggers properly and the email looks the way you expect. That quick test can help you catch formatting issues or missing variables before real submissions start coming in. And that's it. You've successfully set up Monday. Come to email a non-board member whenever a form is submitted.